Hello, my name is Alpern Yashar and I'm the Applications Engineer here at Swift Sensors. Today I'm going to be showing you a new way to use reports in the Swift Sensors console. You can now generate a report in your home account for measurements that are associated with a sub-account. First, you would click on the Analytics section and then click on Reports. On the top right, you can select the sub-account that you want to pull a report from and select the specific measurements that you are interested in. This feature will cut down on the amount of time a user needs to create reports for multiple sub-accounts that they monitor. Thank you for watching. Please visit us at www.swiftsensors.com/support or email us at support@swiftsensors.com.